I'm a plumber by trade. I repair, bend, cut and fit metal and plastic tubing. To cut plastic pipes like polypropylene or PVC, I always use the multi-wheel. It's really versatile, it works equally well on plastics, wood and even plasterboard. If you have the diamond metal wheel and the multi-wheel in your tool bag, you've pretty much got it covered. When you cut plastic with a normal disc, it can get so hot that it melts together. A total waste of time. But with this disc, that doesn't happen. The multi-wheel is one single piece, which means it won't break. And it's damp-proof, unlike bonded discs. Obviously, damp and plumbing go hand in hand. Right now, I'm cutting PVC pipes for every bathroom in the place. I've been at it for 2 days now, and I must have made at least 50 cuts, and it's still good for plenty more. The X-Lock system makes my life much easier. Fitting and removing the disc is really quick and easy. If I'm using the diamond wheel and I want to switch to the multi-wheel, it's done in a flash. I do this, and we're off. Why do I always have them in my kit? Because they last, they cut through anything, and they save time.